What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a trade recap. Now, the trade I took was a loss, but I'm fine with it. I'm taking this loss 10 times out of 10 probably. But so let's go in and analyze why I took this loss. So going down, there's two biases, right? Obviously, we're in this 4-hour imbalance, right? Okay. But we have a huge SMT right here, internal SMT at this 1-hour imbalance right here, right? So this is an area of rejection. And going into the market, I was more bearish than bullish. I wanted to see us SMT this high like we did, and then I wanted to see us displaced to go lower, which we did. Now, I can understand how we probably should stay bullish, right? Because of this buy model, and it kind of aligns really good. Original consolidation, sell off, higher time frame imbalance. This is going to be buy side of the curve. But I didn't see it. I just wanted the bearishness, and it's fine. I had my bias and I stuck to it. So zooming out, right, we get this external SMT at the above buy side level, and then following that, we get uh we get a 5-minute change in the state, right? And that's kind of my rule. I need to see a 5-minute change in the state in order to take a trade. So first, news comes out, generates this low, takes this internal level, puts in another SMT, and then we get a huge sell-off, which makes me very probable that we are going to go short. So once we get this 5-minute change in the state right here, I mark out where it is. We also have a 1-minute change in the state right here aligned with that, right? So we have a 5-minute change in the state aligned on top of a 1-minute change in the state. I set my limit right at this 5-minute change in the state, and I get filled like right here. And now there's two areas I probably could have put my stop. I put my stop at the protected high just because I was more confident. I thought that's where price would reject from, and I thought we would see it. Now I understand that I could be in way more size with a higher stop, and it pays more, right? But that's not really what I was chasing right now. I just put my stop at the protected high because I didn't want to well, the reason for the protected high was because look where discount is, right? So we could retrace into here and then sell off, and it still wouldn't go against my bias necessarily. So I want to be protected from that. Now, does it cause me to have a deeper stop? Yes, but I have a limit set in place of how much I want to risk on the day. So you see, we chop, 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 come up, end up stopping me out, which is not a big deal. Hit my risk limit of the day. I'm fine with that. ES also inverse to 15-minute. Um, yeah, I think this is a good trade overall. I take this trade probably 10 times out of 10. Double SMT, 5-minute change in the state. I understand the buy model we're in, but I mean, we did inverse this, but I don't know. I just really like the setup. I thought it was really good. Now, there is a different setup you could have probably taken is once you get the so let's delete all this and say, you're taking these lows. This is the only way I would have probably been long bias. So if I was long bias, this probably would have been the trade to take. Come out, sweep these lows. I want to see a change in the state, which would be above this candle. You get this change, 5-minute change in the state right here. Let's zoom in, see if we can get an entry. Looks like we pull back. Where would the 5-minute change in state be? Right there. We pull back. Probably on this inverse, you could enter. Your stops at this low. Right, say you enter like that, and you're targeting this external level. Looks like we're going to get there, but it's a chop battle, or you could enter that discount of this buy up or this buy up, which is also this wick right here. And say, you're entering there, so you put that like that. 5-minute change in the state, get the big inverse. Looks like we're going to go to that. You could have something like that, which then pays that. But this isn't a bad trade right here, so I'll probably journal this. But yeah, those are the two trades you could have taken. I didn't take this one, just wasn't my thing. We do have a big SMT here. Mark this out. Right, inverse all this. Definitely this was the only. If you're going to take a bullish trade, this is probably the best one to continue the buy model inside the buy model. Right. But overall, I'm very happy with that. Those are the one trade loss I took, and this is a good win you could have taken. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to join my free Discord, link in the description. Also, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.